Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. And to all of my returning supporters, thank you so much for coming back to show your support. I truly appreciate it. Today, you guys, we are going to be stuffing $60 into my home savings binder, which is my favorite binder. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep watching. So I hope you all are doing well today. I hope you had a great weekend. This weekend was pretty productive, I should say, because I was outside doing some yard work and just getting things cleaned up around the back of our house, because when spring hits, things start growing, weeds stop popping up out of nowhere. And so just trying to clear everything out and get stuff refreshed for spring. Hopefully we can do some pressure washing here in the near future. We have so many projects to do around the home. So yeah, but it was very productive weekend, so I can't complain. Let me know down below what you did this weekend, and yeah, let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this video. We have $60 to cash stuff, all fives. I always make change within the envelope, so you'll see some 20s in here, 10s, because I like to make change so I won't have to go to the bank so much. But we are going to roll. If you are not familiar with this, or if this is your first time watching, I usually have one die that I will roll. That didn't count, but say if I rolled a 5, I will have the numbers, the envelopes are numbered 1 to 6, and I will stuff $5 in each envelope that I roll, corresponding to the number on the die. So we're going to go ahead and get started. 1. Okay, so 1 is household. And that's great because I'm really itching to take this money out to spend some things that I need for the house. So the more it can fill up, the better. I think this will be the last cash stuffing. This will be the last cash stuffing that I do before I decide to take the money out to do some shopping around the home. Things that's needed for the home. So we have $5 going into bathroom reno. And we have 1 again. So yes, right away, my dream is hopefully going to be coming true to bulk this envelope up so I can purchase some things around the home. 2 is furniture, and this will be for a new dining room set. I have been looking up things around the internet just to get kind of familiar with what we want to buy, and so that's been fun, just kind of window shopping online, if that's what you call it. 4, utilities, and that's to get a month ahead in the utilities for the power bill. 5 is home maintenance. We do have a lot of things that are needed around the home to do. Pressure washing, we do have a pressure washer, but just to buy supplies and things like that. Tools, and yeah. 4, utilities. 6 is going to be renovation, bathroom reno, which I'm excited about. One day. 5, maintenance again. Can never have enough in maintenance. Oop, that went across the board, but 2, we'll take it. Okay, 2 is going into furniture, and this money always goes so fast. 2 again, okay, we'll take it. And the last roll is 1, household. Okay, so my favorite envelope did not get anything, but that's okay. So we have 15 that's going into household. I need to purchase some storage containers. So we got 15. So now household has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Forgot to write what it was finished. So 130 in household. And I should be able to get a few things like storage containers. I'm trying to declutter and just continue to get stuff organized. You all know that's like an ongoing thing, right? Furniture got, let's see, 5, 10, 15. So now furniture has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yes. So we do plan on buying the furniture at the end of the year. So hopefully it's still available. Repairs is it's got nothing, but repairs has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 175 in repairs. That's okay because we are going to be doing a tax refund stuffing. We did get a refund for last tax season. So that should be fun, and we're gonna put a nice amount towards repairs. So it's okay that it didn't get anything today. Utilities got 10. Now utilities has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, $140. I think we can color in another one. Each one is worth $20. Each light bulb is worth $20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. Yay, it's exciting to always get to color in another item. Means progress is being made, and you can see the visual progress as well. And the goal is to save $400 because that is usually about the highest amount, and it's in the summer months. So if we can save $400 for the highest amount, that's exciting, and that will just go into the bank, and we'll start saving for the next bill, which will be water. Maintenance got 10. Now maintenance has 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 145. Or not 145. Before we count, let's write it in here. Plus 10. So maintenance should have $45. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yes, that's correct. Okay. So we can't color anything just yet because we did take some money out and we're trying to build it back up so we can color in another icon, and we won't be able to color in something until we reach $100. Last but not least is bathroom reno. Thought I closed it. Oh, no, I didn't. Zippers are always tricky. Okay, so bathroom reno got 10. And so now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. $120 in bathroom reno. That's exciting. It's growing slowly but surely. Okay, so we are all set. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video and you want to follow me along on this journey. And I will be releasing a tax refund stuffing coming up. So I'll be also stuffing this once again. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you in my next video. You all have a blessed week. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.